my next block, and it's a sewing machine. The pattern's free. If you go along to Snapshot Quilt Along Block 2 on YouTube, it's a fat quarter shop. It should bring you up this pattern. Now the method is all on there, so I'm not going to do a tutorial because they've got a tutorial on YouTube. But what I would recommend is this section here is this colour, this section and this section are all these colours, and if you look down, this section's this colour, and that's their pattern, their colours for their pattern. So what I've done is I wrote white, green, green paisley, burgundy and dark green. So that's my colours in the sections I'm going to do. But as you can see, they've got letters and numbers of the alphabet alongside there, so you don't get mixed up. I recommend that you do that, and as you can see on mine, that's exactly what I've done. So that's the only thing I'm going to say, is that make sure you put all the corresponding letters or numbers next to the piece of fabric you've cut out in your colours, and then follow on YouTube how to put it together. Well, there you go, that's my sewing machine block finished. I hope you have fun making yours. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and come on back and we'll have some more videos. Thank you.